Morning folks, it's a beautiful morning. We're still in February. Look at the blue sky. It's absolutely wonderful and it's a little bit nippy, but I've got my fleece on and my t-shirt and my vest, and I'm now going to do bits and bobs on the allotment. First of all, I'm going to have a drink of hot chocolate with Tom and Penny down on the other plot. I might plant some peas later, but I keep thinking it's going to be frosty soon. So I think I'll plant peas, it'll be really nice and warm, and then as luck would have it, frost will come and all the little shoots will die off and I'll have to start again, and what a waste of peas. So maybe today, I think I've just took myself out of it, haven't I? Right, so let's get on with work. Last time I tried to film the chickens going from their coop into their run, I missed them. The camera wasn't at the right angle. So I'm going to try again, and hopefully this time you'll get them. This is the great escape. Ladies, come on then. Right, you haven't been out for a couple of days, have you? That's it, go on then. Off you go. Well, notice the baldy one's always first, and this lighter colour one is always last. Always the same. And they're in. I'm halving my manure pile on my fruit allotment, because this morning, don't tell my husband about this, I bought a grapevine and a big black currant. I'll tell you the names when it comes because I've just forgotten. I think the grapevine Boozy, which is just right up my street, or it could be another one that's kind of pinky red. Don't know. I'm just thinking now. Was it seedless? Oh, I hope it's seedless. Anyway, they'll come, so I've got to move my manure patch off my fruit bit where my erection structure will be, arbour, pagoda, whatever, because they've got to climb over that, and at the moment it's full of manure, so they can't when they come. And the last thing I want to do is lose fruit, valuable fruit, when it arrives without planting it almost immediately. So that's one of my jobs. I am though, however, in an hour going to Nantwich to see my best mate and her husband, and so I haven't really got a lot of time. So I'm having some soup, which is my breakfast. It's about midday. I've got a couple of hours to do more shit shoveling, really, I suppose. The only way of saying it. Chickens are out, having a great time, scratching around. You can see behind me, enjoying the sunshine. I will have to get them somewhere to shelter under though for the summer, if we're going to have a hot summer, because they will get a little bit warm out there. So yeah, my manure heap is my big thing of the day, and letting the chickens out and just enjoying this sunshine. Hey, I'm down on the fruit plot, and here my work, I have split the one big manure pile into two, because this one with the pallet on belongs to Tina and Andy on the next plot to me. So that's where I like to call it my erection, but it's kind of an arbory thing, and it's the frame of a shed, let's face it, and that's going to go where the green manure is, where Tina and Andy's pile is, and hopefully they'll move it. What I did want to show you though is my apricot. Well, first I'll show you my tulips. I planted these the other day. I just put the bulbs in, and look at them, they're beautiful. They were reduced outside Aldi. I don't actually know what they are. Are they crocus or are they I thought they were tulips, but anyway, very pretty. And moving on to the apricot tree. At the fig tree has got a few little buds there, we can see it's coming. I just do worry about them budding this early, and then if we get frost and killing all the buds off. This is the pear tree, conference pear. There's quite a few buds on this one. And then this is my apricot tree, and look at this, absolutely gorgeous. So all those blossoms, and again, these are where the apricots grow from, and if it's frosty or it snows, it will kill all the blossoms and I won't get any apricots. So keep your fingers crossed for me, folks. I'm now going to pack up down here and go home, clean up, and then go